Hey YouTube, so today I will be showing you how to put on your dual resonated front pipe on either your BRZ, your FRS, or your GT86. What I have right here is a 1320 Performance dual resonated front pipe. This one was to hopefully remove the rasp of running straight piped in the car and free up some extra power from the stock front pipe. Now this car has gone through 3 sets of front pipes, including the stock one. They were in this car with eBay Equal Lenght Header and just sounded terrible. Here's a short sound clip. Next, I put on the stock front pipe, took off the Specty exhaust, and ran them with Nameless axle back instead. Finally, in my most recent setup, I changed my headers to unequal length Tomei headers, and here's the sound clip of that. That out of the way, let's get this front pipe installed. First step is to jack up the car and put them on jack stands. Make sure it's secured. We're going to unwrap this dual resonator. So this is a stock front pipe, which is the one that we have to take off. The bolts you are going to take off are the 12mm and the 14mm. Take this off. So now we are going to take off the transmission mount that is holding the front pipe. If you had a stock Oevrpipe, you would need to take off 2 14mm bolts. Since this car has an aftermarket Oevrpipe, this shield will have to come off in order to remove the bolts. To do that, you would need to take off these 10mm bolts. After you take off the bolts, you can go ahead and take off the front pipe. Now it is time to put on the front pipe. Don't forget to take off your donut gasket off your front pipe. Get to put your donut gasket on your new front pipe. To put back the front pipe, all you have to do is reverse the step by putting back the Oevrpipe bolts, transmission mount bolt, and the spring mount bolt. Alright, everything is all set. Here is the cold start. 3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, so I just wanted to come back and talk to you guys about the sound of this setup. I noticed that in the higher RPMs, there is still a slight rasp sound that I'm not really a fan of. So far, the best sounding setup I think is close to the sound I'm looking for is the one with the stock front pipe. Other than that, I may change to another front pipe, again, one that has a catalytic converter, or maybe even buy a full catback exhaust. Either one of those, or maybe even both. And finally, here is a last flyby of this setup. As always, thanks for watching. If you guys have any comments, suggestions, or questions, you can go ahead and leave that in the comment section down below. And if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you guys enjoy more contents like these, hopefully you guys can subscribe to the channel. Other than that, thanks for watching, and see you next time.